Okay. Alright, people. I'd like to welcome you to Jamaica Saturdays here at the Cool Runnings. See, I want to take time out to pick up the management for allowing us the opportunity to come here and share our vibes, share our culture with the people at the Cool Runnings. Once again up to the staff, once again up to Anna, Vera, Sean, I don't know who they are, but I want to up to the staff. That's not a word. See? Also, I want to up to all of you who are here tonight. Today happens to be Ernest. We have a very special guest here tonight. Ernest celebrating his 54th birthday today. Happy birthday, Ernest. Happy birthday.
Man. Yes, big up,
Ernest. Alright?
More life.
Yeah. See? Welcome. You got to everyone. And tonight we have a very special show for Uno. As usual, we're gonna introduce our sound Heart of Love with a little dubplate exhibition from East Kingston, Jamaica.
Yeah.
After that, we're gonna go into a little small juggling.
Yeah.
And then we have the Dan Rastan, the Susie Bright Eye, and Richard Canary. Very nice to see the place tonight. I hope a lot of people turn out because it's gonna be amazing. Yeah. But no matter how much people there who is there, we're gonna have a great vibe and a great energy singing because we see legends within the spirit, you know?
Yes.
Massive amount of people that want to see them. Legends. Alright?
Great.
So yeah, man. We kick off the dubplate exhibition like this.
Bobby, Bibi, Sky's calling. Keep the song.
Alright,
Heart of Love song. Just drop the rhythm, the one in the medium dimension sound boy, you have to die to
Me stop. All we need to do is
dubplate exhibition.
You see me song you try to teach out the love song.
Level the selector.
But they never make it. But you know, the little bad man sound boy, you got me down. People, you be doing this one, this one. Some boy you run with your high. I come out of your belly. Hey! Listen to the song boy.
Level the operator.
Man is all redeemed. I love you feel them all.
Inside the voice, woman called guidance. See? And now as we move forward, remember this is a dubplate exhibition. Little more, we're gonna have some nice things for you. See? So listen to
Heart of Love sound is the #1 sound. The champion sound, no doubt about that. Now who is the father body you're seeing? Israel the future. Tri-City boom. I will say album you big up Upton James said that's a squeeze tune right now, see. We don't have time to listen to fool. Walla ta 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 yeah. Oh Lord, Heart of Love sound. I'm in the mood to kill a sound. Heart of Love, let's show one down. Give me the reading, cause I've got the feeling. Oh Lord, said I'm in the mood to kill a sound. Heart of Love, let's show one down. Give me
welcome to the Cool Runnings.
Now I've got
This is Jamaica Saturday.
that man sound.
The intro to the dubplate
hear something.
Listen.
Ought to love the candies. No wonder why people love you so. You give them the feeling. I'm in the mood to kill a sound. Ought to love, let's show one down. Give me the reading. Now I've got the feeling. Oh Lord, said I'm in the mood to kill a sound. Ought to love, we gonna show one down. Give me the reading. Now I've got the feeling. The champion sound.
Massive love song, big up yourself for the time. All massive in our crew. Bobby, Israel, half of you crew, big up yourself for the time. Can you say that?
Yeah, massive. It's anything wrong. Expedition.
Pick up another sound boy, they must to confess. Hear a voice of who's there? And this is what they hear. Ooh, ain't nobody here but the champion sound. Ain't nobody here but us. So calm yourself and stop this fuss. You're picking up an off with us. After love sound, I know you are the champion sound. And all of the sound, them come around. Tomorrow, it's a busy day. We got things to do, we got bets to play. We got a sound to kill and a contest to win. That's why they got to crown as a king. So ain't nobody here but the champion sound. Ain't nobody but Colin Road. So calm yourself and stop that fuss. You're picking up an awful dose. After love sound, I know you are the champion sound. And all of the sound, them come around. If a song go and try to play our side, we are gonna mash them up. You know we get wild. We cook them here and we book them there. And beat them all over the atmosphere. So ain't nobody here but the champion sound. Ain't nobody here but us. So calm yourself and stop that fuss. You're picking up an awful dose. Hey,
Enjoy the evening tonight. I show you some music straight from Jamaica. I share my culture with you. And try to cool that tonight. Come on. Are you ready? Come on.
I was born by the river in a little tent.
Total nice current tonight, you know?
Rapping.
Bring the vibes to you, you know? Straight from there.
It's been a long time coming, but I know change will come. Oh, yes, it will. Let me not tell you about the art of love song and the big sound from half of you from the east. Yeah, man. And the east sound. Yeah, man. Blessed love sound. Bobby the Boss, stay so. Israel, the future. You don't know. Boom V. Yeah, man. Rockfort, massive. Mountain View, massive. And all of the crew ever can blame the loves you. Run things.
Yeah, man. Tell the people. I'm just on the place. Who ready? Are you ready? Alright, I'm going to the place now. Enjoy the vibes here. I should bring you the people on. Reggae Sundays. Come on. Come on.
Come test it if you can. Who
Yeah.
wants test this bad sound? Come test it if you can. Wait the sound. Hey, yo, Bobby the Box. Man like Israel. I don't know some bomb. I can find myself watching any storm test of 2000. So like Big Up Rockford, Mountain View, Bundy.
Yeah, man, by the son of the place, man. After that song, listen. Listen, champion song.
Hey, boy, you okay? The out of love is ever ready. Ever ready.
You said this, so speak up yourself, you know. After that song, play.
A someone is dying in this dance. Alright. And when you get
Remember where inside the car. You don't play next mission.
a someone is dying in this dance.
So listen.
Yes.
Come on.
Believe you me, them never stand a chance. Yeah, some boy at birth.
That was said.
Is it a blessing or a curse? Some boy at birth. Is it a blessing or a curse? Yes. A some boy claim he's got the tool. Alright. But it's evident art has never ruled. I'm worried about it, just play with it cool, oh yes. Cause all them up one, tell them a fool. Yeah, some boy at birth, is it a blessing or a curse? Some boy at birth, is it a blessing?
I have never heard a sound place where we are so clear with the sound for sound for I don't know, those are a slash. I have never heard a sound place where we are so clear with the sweet tone of melody, the crowd want to hear. Never heard a sound place where we are so clear. Tell them out and love them on the king. Yeah, we no laugh and we no skin, we no play neither, we no land. Time with the yacht, I give out we burning. A sound can't hear it no, skin wine burning. We don't dig the grave about the reach and coffin. But fly too far, then we go and clip the wing, not trouble the great out and love. Wanna get murdering, yeah. One go tell them little baby crown king, Bobby fling down the jump and rhythm. Yeah, I've never heard a sound place where we are so clear with.
You man, it's a water love.
Welcome.
You man, just like the water love.
Easy. Easy. I want to take time out to welcome you all to the beautiful settings here at Cool Runnings tonight. I want to say big up to another birthday person in the place. Lady in blue, Mary, happy birthday! Alright, let's celebrate birthday, Mary. Yo, Mr. Ernest. We have another birthday person in the place, so we have another birthday person in the place. It's her birthday as well. Yeah, so we have two birthday people here tonight. So happy birthday to you both. Alright. Here we go again. Read it up.
You man, it's a water love. You man, just like the water love. Every walk we walk a love. You man, Mr. Watcher, Bobby, just like that Israel future, Mr. Watcher. Try set boom. Yeah man, Mr. Original, I'm a view, original teacher, culture tape present for the big sound scene. Yeah man, enough boy, I talk, you wanna take back talk, you are the baddest sound.
Listen back sound play.
I want to some boy.
5 bad songs. Come on.
Notice this.
Happy birthday, Mary.
Tell them, say them,
Happy birthday, Ivy.
go ahead and notice board and then we say, oh bad, sound out the road, go ahead and board. Heart and love, notice board. Heart and love, a kill sound a road. So them go ahead and board. Gotta go ahead and notice board and then we say, oh bad, sound out the road, go ahead and board. Heart and love, notice board. Heart and love, a kill them. Me tell them a junglist man. Never the sound out the road. One of the say, they will never notice board. I'm a view man. Never the sound out the road. One of the say, they will never notice board. TG man. Never the sound out the road. One of the say, they will never notice board. Anyone who phone them on the head and them move on the road. Now I put them to the back of bus. Them a do that they put a do. We're gonna get done now for a road. So we the board. Gotta go in and notice board. And then we say, oh bad, sound out the road. Go in the board.
you see so long, no time. Everybody them flow in Israel, the city yardy. I tell us sound I represent for your stadium and the sound from the east. Boom, boom, boom. Sound boy can't live at best.
Melody in our sound. Autolog sound make a jump and jump. Melody in our sound. Autolog sound raise the crowd. Turn up the trumpet sound, autolog sound. Play what you wanna play, yeah, yeah. That's what autolog's gonna turn. Autolog will never lose the way, yeah, yeah. How we going? No time to be worse. Them can't kill my sound. You never kill my sound. Jump and selectors around. They try to push you to the ground. That sound, they can't kill my sound. You never kill my sound.
interact with both. We got them coalition. But them can't stop out and love so regulation. We got to pass it on and play music for everyone. Art and love sound, Anthony B. I say, Father Bobby, you don't know Jack Stereo, Israel the future.
Happy birthday to